Theories abounded. They were gods. They were the last vestiges of a long-lost civilization that had once ruled the Pacific. Some even thought they were inspired by aliens. It was an Easter Islander who made a breakthrough, because for years, one of the few clues anyone had to go on was something from the local Rapa Nui language.
The status of Moai we also call Aringa Ora Ote Tupuna, the living face of our ancestors.
For years, the traditional name didn't make sense. Whoever these ancestors were, they looked dead, not alive. But then Sergio found some strange fragments of coral.
We were not sure what they were. In fact, we found of different form, different shapes. They were well preserved because it was covered with sand. And when we put them together, it shaped like this. So on the side, none of us really know what it was.
It was then that Sergio remembered something. The strange concave holes in the eye sockets of the statues, or moai.
I remember the concavity, and a very nice concavity of one moai that we have erected on the platform already. Then a simple association in a matter of a second. It led me to the conclusion at that very moment that it was the inlaid eyes of a moai.
Gone was the dead look. The eyes made the statues come alive.
When I look at these stone statues, I get the image of somebody that is full of pride. They have the mouth firm, they have the nose elevated, and when they look at you, the statues, they're not looking at your face, they're looking over your head.
So it's the image of leaders. These statues became alive, living face of our ancestors.
Scientists now believe the statues were part of the Polynesian tradition of ancestor worship, but on a scale far beyond anything that had been seen before. Each statue was different, raised up to immortalize a dead chief. High on their platforms, they were halfway between the living and the gods. With their backs to the sea, their task was to look out over the people, to inspire and protect them. But then, something went very wrong. The statues were pulled down.